I just bought a Coca-Cola bottle. And actually, I'm now being really unsustainable. For example, with these plastics that Coca-Cola has in its bottles. Annually, Coca-Cola produces 120 billion plastic bottles, and this contributes to environmental degradation, natural resources are depleted, and, of course, high CO2 emissions in the air. What can we do about this? Well, we came up with a solution, and that's the Coca-Cola carton bag with Coca-Cola tablets. Now I'm looking on the Coca-Cola app to find a vending machine and a water point to get a Coca-Cola. Bring your renewable bottle, tap it at a water point, and then put a tablet in it, a Coca-Cola tablet. Voila.
Hi Isa, what a coincidence.
Hey, look.
I just wanted to fill my bottle here. Is that possible?
Oh my god, with the Coca-Cola tablets.
Sure.
We actually worked on this project together for making these tablets.
Yeah, I know. Let me just crack the numbers for you. Let's go.
Thanks, let's go.
In order to understand why this is such a great idea, we have to look at the production process and the possible profits for the Coca-Cola Company. The transportation of raw materials becomes much easier because less raw materials are needed. So all CO2 emissions from this transportation will be gone. But surely the biggest cost reductions come from the packaging process. Instead of needing all those plastic bottles and all this plastic production, we only need those small cardboard that we need for the tablets to be transported in. Plastic production in the Netherlands only costs 50 million euros each year. If we use those cardboards, that will be totally gone. So we only need the cardboard production instead of those plastics. Also, the production or the manufacturing process will be much cleaner because we won't need to produce the plastic bottles on site and fill the bottles on site, but we have just those tablets to distribute. Big cuts can also be made in the distribution of our tablets. Instead of having all these ready-made bottles to transport, we only have these small tablets that we can transport to our supermarkets, bars and stores. Daily 50 trucks distribute all the Coca-Cola products in bottles through the Netherlands. With those tablets, that'll only be a very small amount that we have to transport. Because our product won't be needed to be refrigerated, or the storage space is so much less, we can make huge cuts in CO2 emissions from storage and refrigeration. 41% of all the plastic bottles that are produced globally end up in nature in the end. But if we have those cardboard packaging for our tablets, those plastics won't end up in our environment, but won't be there at all. So that will be a huge profit for the Coca-Cola Company and for the world. So only cutting in our plastic production, we can save 50% of all the CO2 emissions that are being produced by the Coca-Cola Company. So instead of 5.45 million metric tons CO2 emissions globally, that will be much less, and at 2.75 million metric tons globally. Start with Coca-Cola and make a difference.
So let's share a Coke in a sustainable way.